टीसीपी खातें आनी सचिवाच्या शिफारसी बगर भू रूपांतर करपाच्या प्रस्तावाक टीसीपी मंत्र्यान थेट मान्यताय दिल्या ही अजापाची गजाल दिसता अशें गोवा फाउंडेशनाचे संचालक क्लाउद आल्वारीस हांणी म्हळां. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Sir, you have mentioned in your speech regards to government TCP minister. What exactly you want to say?
No, somebody asked a question about 17(2) changes and whether these changes are being permitted also in the Kazan areas. I said, as far as I am concerned, the Kazan area cannot be converted under 17(2) because that is the part of the guidelines given under 17(2) that Kazan areas cannot be converted, Kada areas cannot be converted, paddy fields cannot be converted, tenanted lands cannot be converted under 17(2). So we have taken the assurance of the government, but unfortunately when we look at the actual 17(2) conversions, many of them are actually Kada areas or Kazan areas or mangrove areas, and therefore I don't think that the guidelines are being followed for 17(2) conversions.